Okay, do you guys like to make stuff? So here's a TV guide, okay? Look up what you want. Don't need that. Okay, so let's make some rope. I don't know if we're allowed to cut these things or not, but no one can really stop me now. So I'm gonna take my Swiss Army knife with scissors. You can use any scissors. I'm gonna take, I don't know, let's just take 3 or 4 pages together. And I'm gonna cut a strip of paper. I hope you already used this TV guide because I'm cutting it up. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so now I have strips of paper. I got 3. You can do this forever. Okay, so now I'm going to take this one. I'm going to start twisting it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. You can do this while you're watching TV or while you're watching MacGyver or something like that. So I'm just going to twist it. You want to kind of squish and twist. Squish and twist. Keep going. Okay, I'm not doing a great job because I don't want to get you bored. Okay, now I'm going to stop. Now I got a little tab right at the end. Now I can take my next sheet and just lay it on top. So now they're overlapping by a little bit. Now I'm just going to crumple that up and just keep on twisting. Keep on twisting. And go over. You don't even have to look once you get used to it. You just kind of, and if you stick, yeah. And you want to see right here, you don't want to just spiral it up. You want to crumple it and twist. Don't tear the paper. Okay, so you see what I have here. It's longer than the original strip because I'm overlapping. And I can keep doing this as much as I want. And here is an example. Here's one that I started earlier. And now it's not super strong, but you can take it and you can braid it and make it even a braided rope and keep adding it on, and boom, you got rope from a TV guide.